Hello everyone, welcome to Students Point. This is 16th of October and we are going to see all the important questions for the day. But before that, if you are appearing in UPSC 2021 and a State PCS 2021, then go to the link given in the comment section at the top as well as in the description box of the video and tap on the link and you can subscribe to the new batch which has begun for UPSC and State PCS 2021. Now if you wish to get PDF of all these videos, you can join us on Telegram by writing the channel's name Students Point. You can also follow us on Instagram by writing the username The Students Point. And if you are finding this video useful, don't forget to like the video and do share the video with your friends and loved ones. Also don't forget to press the subscribe button and the bell icon to receive the notification at the earliest so that you never miss any opportunity to learn and grow every day. Now here is the question for the day, and everyone has to answer this question in the comment section, whoever knows this answer. The question is, Asia Pacific Group on Money Laundering in News has secretariat in? These are the options. Read the options and then answer. The first question now, MACS 6478 in News is a variety of, so it is a variety of wheat. So here C is the right answer, and this new wheat variety is helping farmers in a village in Maharashtra to double their yield. This wheat variety was developed by scientists from Agarkar Research Institute, which is an autonomous institute of Department of Science and Technology, and the farmers of village in Koregaon Tehsil of Satara district in Maharashtra are now getting their yield almost double to 45 to 60 quintal per hectare, while earlier it was just 25 to 30 quintal per hectare. This newly developed common wheat or braid wheat is also called as high yielding Astivum, and it matures in 110 days and is resistant to most of the diseases of leaf and stem rust. And to know more details of UPSC and State PCS batch for 2021, you can watch the video for detailed explanation of that batch here in the I button. I will share the link of that video in the I button. After watching this video, press on the I button. I will share that video in the end screen as well. So press there and watch the details of the batch. There I have explained all the minute details for UPSC and State PCS 2021 batch. Now let's see the second question. Who has been elected as the President of International Solar Alliance? So it is India who has been elected as the President of ISA, and France has been elected as the Co-President of International Solar Alliance. And recently the third assembly of International Solar Alliance has been attended by 34 International Solar Alliance members, ministers, and other countries sent their just dignitaries or officials. And India has been re-elected as the President of International Solar Alliance, and the France has been elected as co-president for 2 years. The assembly witnessed conferment of Vishwesarva Award, which recognizes countries with most floating solar capacity in each of the 4 regions of ISA. The awards went to Japan for Asia Pacific region and Netherlands for Europe and other regions. So these two names are also important here. I repeat it once again, that the Vishwesarva Award, which means the country with the highest or maximum floating solar capacity, went to Japan for Asia Pacific region, and this award went to Netherlands for Europe and other regions. And the first assembly of ISA was held in October 2018 in Greater Noida, while the second assembly held in 2019 in New Delhi, while the third assembly held virtually in 2020 from 14th to 16th October. And the test will be provided today, and afterwards all the tests for current affairs related questions will be provided here. The questions are segregated in different subjects for polity, economy, international news, science and tech, environment, history and culture. Small topics like awards, indices, personalities, sports are covered in miscellaneous. We do organize tests for every month, and we cover all the questions, important questions for that month. Also try to cover the static portions which can be linked to the issue which was in news. And the tests are provided on our website studentspointweb.com as well. Thereafter all the PDFs of detailed explanations are also provided. These are the 3 plans which you can subscribe to with either of the plan. The first plan is for 1 month, the second plan is for 3 months, and the third plan is for 6 months. After subscription, you have to send your confirmation at pointstudent2020@gmail.com. At this email ID pointstudent2020@gmail.com, you can also ask any of your query related to UPSC and State PCS batch 2021 as well. And subscription for this plan will be provided in the comment section as well as in the description box of the video. So tap on the link and choose your plan. Next question now. STARS project recently in news is related to, so it is related to education. So here B is the right answer. Why news? The Union Cabinet Minister has approved this scheme and it is a World Bank supported scheme or project, and it means strengthening teaching learning results for states. And the project seeks to support states in developing, implementing, evaluating interventions with direct linkage to improved education outcomes. The total project cost is 5,718 crore rupees, while the World Bank will provide 500 million US dollar. The project would be implemented as a new centrally sponsored scheme under Department of School Education and Literacy, and it covers only 6 states, which are Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, MP, Kerala and Odisha. Next question, very important. Consider the following statements about thalassemia. It is an inherited disorder of RBC or red blood cells that causes your body to have excessive of hemoglobin than normal. Is it correct? No, this is wrong. Because it is an inherited disorder of RBC which causes the body to have less hemoglobin than normal, not excessive of hemoglobin. So your first is wrong. The second statement now. The disorders result in excessive destruction of RBCs which leads to anemia. This is correct. So here only second statement is correct. A is the right answer. People with thalassemia are not able to make enough of hemoglobin, due to which oxygen cannot get to all parts of the body, thereby organs are unable to function properly. And there are two major types of thalassemia, which are alpha and beta, and these are named for the two protein chains that make up normal hemoglobin. See, in normal times our RBC looks like this, red, circular form or a spherical form you can say, but when a person is suffering from thalassemia, the shape of RBC changes like this. And in India, thalassemia major, in short called as TM, and the severe form of thalassemia intermedia, in short called as TI, constitute the major burden of the disease. Why news? Because Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare has launched the second phase of Thalassemia Bal Seva Yojana for the underprivileged thalasssemic patients. See, this scheme called as Thalassemia Bal Seva Yojana was actually started in 2017. It is a scheme of Coal India CSR funded hematopoietic stem cell transplantation program, and it aims to provide a one-time cure opportunity for hemoglobinopathies like thalassemia and sickle cell disease for patients who have a matched family donor. And this corporate social responsibility initiative was targeted to provide financial assistance to a total of 200 patients, but each patient would not get more than 10 lakh per transplantation. Next question now. International Day of Rural Women is celebrated on, so it was observed last day on 15th of October. The day was created in 1995 by civil society organizations at the 4th World Conference on Women in Beijing, and was declared as an official UN Day in 2007 by United Nations General Assembly. The theme for this year is Building Rural Women's Resilience in the Wake of COVID-19. Next question. Consider the following statements about Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO in short. So FAO is a specialized agency of United Nations that leads international efforts to defeat hunger and improve nutrition and food security. This is correct. Next statement. It was founded in 1945 and is headquartered in Rome. This is also correct. So here both of the statements are correct. So C is the right answer. Few days back we have seen a news that its program called as World Food Program has got Nobel Peace Prize for 2020. So that question is very important as well. And here the motto of FAO is Let There Be Bread. And please note that FAO and the World Health Organization created Codex Alimentaris Commission. The purpose of this commission was to develop food standards, guidelines and texts such as codes of practice under the joint FAO or WHO Food Standards Program. Why news? because on the occasion of 75th anniversary of Food FAO on 16th of October 2020, PM Modi has released 75 denomination to mark the long-standing relations of India with FAO. One more type of question they may ask you like this, that recently FAO has completed its which anniversary? So it is the 75th anniversary of FAO on 16th of October 2020. Next question. Consider the following statements about Zojila Tunnel. Very important question. It is again. It involves construction of 14.15 kilometer long tunnel at an altitude of about 3000 meters under the Zojila Pass. This is correct. And it is the second longest unidirectional single tube road tunnel in Asia. No, this is wrong. The first thing is that it is not unidirectional, it is bidirectional. That is, it will have two way. One way is to go from Srinagar to Leh and another is to return from Leh to Srinagar. And here, so it is not the second longest, rather it is the longest bidirectional single tube road tunnel in Asia. So here only first statement is correct, so B is the right answer. And Union Road Transport Highway Minister has initiated simultaneous blasting of Zojila Tunnel in Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. It is the longest bidirectional single tube road tunnel in Asia, and the tunnel will provide all-weather connectivity between Srinagar Valley to Leh through Dras and Kargil on National Highway 1, and it will bring a socio-economic culture integration of Jammu and Kashmir. The company called as Megha Engineering and Infrastructure Limited has been awarded the contract for construction of Zojila Tunnel between Baltal and Myanmar within 6 years. Next question. World Students' Day is observed on, so it is observed on 15th of October again. It is observed on the occasion of the birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Kalam on October 15, and theme for this year is Learning for People, Prosperity and Peace. I repeat, Learning for People, Prosperity and Peace. And if you have found the video useful till now, do like it and do share the video with your friends and loved ones. Next question now. EPVAC Corona, a new vaccine, has recently been approved by, so this EPVAC Corona has recently been approved by Russia, and it has become the second vaccine approved by Russia. Earlier, Sputnik 5 was the first vaccine approved by Russia. So I hope you find the video useful. Do watch this video for courses on UPSC and State PCS 2021, and do like this video as well, and do share and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon. Wait for the upcoming video. We will meet again in the next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching.